So finally, US election result is out. It looks like Trump is going to win this election, and almost now 267 seat already won by Trump. By the time I'm recording this video, Kamala Harris is around 214. And no, already I've just seen that Trump has given the victory speech also. So it looks like yes, he's going to be set as a 47th president of USA. Now let us talk about today about now how this Trump effect will be there on Indian stock market, which are the sectors to be benefited, and what should be the policy, how will be the relationship between India and USA, because at the end of the day, USA is the largest economy in the world, so of course it will have a big impact. So when we talk about Trump, when you know before Biden, Trump was there. He's a 45th president of USA. That at that during that tenure, India relation with Trump was quite good. Even Modi relation with Trump was quite good. Trump came to India. I think he came in Ahmedabad only. I do remember because I am in Ahmedabad, so I do remember that thing. I think that was the first time this our new stadium, Narendra Modi Stadium, was used. At that time, name was not then Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi Stadium was named afterwards. Okay, but at that time he came, and great celebration was there, great welcome was there, and overall, Modi was always favoring Trump. I think at that time, I do remember it was the last year of the Trump presidency, and the election was about to come in. At that time, Modi was no actually giving a great support to Trump, and he was saying that "Ab ki baar Trump ki sarkar aisi," he used to talk like that at that time. But his overall relation is quite good, and one of the reason is that Trump is a very is a hardliner. No, you know that he actually brought the tariff against China. First time trade war started between USA and China. In a way, it is beneficial to India, because many for our no you can say commodity like chemical and some of the export oriented business are getting benefited because of that. So actually chemical textile sector got benefited a lot because of that tariff, or then the focus may shift to India, and China one policy again may get better steam. So because in future, at the end of the day, if Trump is going to come, of course, China, it will be a very part of China. Basically, Trump is a quite a hardliner. He don't listen to anyone. He always put America first, and for him also, like the way we have Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, for him is always America first. He wants to make goods in America only. He don't want to get it import from China. So he's a hardliner, and in a way, means he's not having a great relationship with China. In a way, it may be benefiting for India from the export point of view and all that. And many of the sector may get benefited, like auto ancillaries, solar panels, chemicals may get benefit because of that. Another big thing may happen is the lower commodity prices. If you remember, during the Trump presidency, I don't think there was a big war going on. I don't remember. If please correct me if I am wrong, but during the Democrats, now he's a Republican. Democrats में ऐसा ही होता है. There is always a war during Biden period. You this. I'm not saying that the USA is making this Russia-Ukraine crisis or Israel, Hamas or Iran crisis. I'm not saying that, but at the end of Democrats are not able. Means they somehow encourage war or what. And you see Russia-Ukraine crisis going on. They are supplying their arms, and in a way, it is benefiting US economically, because defense is one of the main sector. But Trump always go against the war, and he's a very hardliner. I know you know that Trump and North Korea relation was never a good one. No, like they are both are switching to pointing towards when to click that atom bomb switch. But whatever it is, in a way, काफी शांति होती है Trump के presidency में. Hopefully, in future also it may come, and it will help the crude oil to go down. Trump always favors that lower commodity prices should be there, then only inflation should be will come in control. So if the geopolitical crisis settle down, then prices are going to go down, because at the end of the day, China, if it is not growing, then it may go below 70 and all that. So that may be benefiting in India in a way, because we are the highest importer of oil. Again, industrial and defense growth. So Trump always favors a big industry growth. As I told you, make in USA. That is what his always motto is. And many of the again, no, they always he always promotes industry now. He already told that he is going to cut the corporate tax rate. I don't remember the exact tax rate in there, but 21% to 15%. And basically, he is trying to encourage the industry. Against that, Kamala Harris told that no, we'll put more taxes on corporate, and it will be like a no socialism something, no, and benefiting the poor and all that. But this guy is completely different. He's saying that he's going to lower tax rate cut and no, in a way, no, help the industries. And that's why you see, Elon Musk has done full betting. Like I don't know, like he's no going for an election. He's fighting for an election, the way he has supported Trump, left, right, center. Because I'm quite active in X, that is Twitter, and I've seen the way he has battled for Trump. Okay, left, right, center, and now he'll be benefited. Okay, now as the Trump is coming into power, he'll be benefited a lot. He knows कि ये बड़ी lottery लगी है. Of course, he has taken a big risk because अगर ये उल्टा हो जाता, if Kamala Harris could have won, this could have gone against Elon Musk. But now, as Trump is winning now, and Trump will become a next president, I think it will be the more who is the biggest beneficial out of all this is Elon Musk. And Musk, of course, taken a big risk. But yes, कहते हैं ना कि अभी पांचों क्या 10 उंगलियां घी पे होंगी, घी के अंदर होगी फॉर Elon Musk. So let's see. For him also, it is a very good benefit. Again, many MNC will be benefited, like no ABB, Honeywell, Hitachi, Cummins, and all that. No, because of the way he's focusing on the capital goods and all that, they will be benefited. Plus, guys, understand. I forgot to tell you about the oil part. If the oil prices goes down, then many of our oil marketing companies like HPCL, BPCL, IOC will be benefited. Even the city gas distribution like IGL, MGL, and all that will be benefited because the lower commodity prices, oil marketing companies make more money. Even the gas marketing companies make more money. Now, let us talk about the overall the global business environment. I know the Trump is, as he is a hardliner, he always focus on USA first. But at the end of the day, nothing wrong in that. No, every country wants to focus on themselves in this bad situation, correct? And over, but no, it will be always a pro business environment. Okay, it's not about socialism. No, whoever is the no capable will earn more. So that will be, that type of policy will be there across the world. However, some of the point which you have to keep in mind is that if he is cutting the tax rate or corporate tax rate, then maybe inflammatory pressure comes, means inflation may go up, sorry. And if the inflation goes up, it will have a problem with the Fed rate cut. So that need to be seen कि ये कैसे होगा, कब होगा. But yes, if the again the GDP goes up for USA, again the Fed may not cut easily the interest rate. But you know that currently the Fed meeting also going on. Within the tomorrow they will announce no that what is there, are they going to cut 25 basis point cut or not. Again, there will be a strong dollar, and strong dollar will impact the IT industry. In a way, it will be beneficial for the IT industry. IT industry will be in a favor of Trump coming, because if Trump is coming and if the US dollar is stronger, they'll earn more. Again, economy may go up. Plus, but the only negative point which you have to keep in mind is that no, Trump is again some H1B visa, no, and all that. No, he won't don't want to issue too many. But one thing need to be understand, that they cannot live without Indian technocrat, or what you say, yeah, IT people. And again, they cannot live without Mexico labors. Okay, so कुछ भी कर ले, they need people. That's why you see top IT CEOs and all they are Indian. So no matter whatever he says, they need people. But yes, some restriction he may apply on H1B visa, like the way he has done last time. But that need to be seen. Plus, market volatility will be lot many. Okay, why? Because वो तो ट्वीट ही करते हैं. Now again, Elon Musk and Trump is together. Earlier, if you remember, Twitter banned Trump in the second time when he was fighting for the presidency. Now Elon Musk is there. अभी तो दोनों की बहुत जबरदस्त दोस्ती है. So he will tweet left, right, center, and no every morning, like a research analyst like us. We have to see what the tweet Trump has given in the morning. Based on that, only market goes up and down. So there will be a lot of volatility in market, and he's a outspoken guy. No, वो कुछ भी आता है बोल देता है. He has no barrier as such. But that is what the America likes. No, that is what the leader should be. कि जो दिमाग में वही बोल रहा है. Sometimes we feel no, it is very harsh, but this is how the Trump goes on with his diplomacy and all that. So yes, there will be a lot of market volatility, and no, overall, if you see the over the time during the Trump period, US has performed well compared to Nifty. So that you have to keep in mind. Another negative maybe for the immigration, there'll be a lot of problem. Trump already told that they are going to have build a wall, no, between Mexico and US now, because a lot of immigrants comes to USA from Mexico and all that. So he's very much against that. Plus, it will have a tough rules, as I already told, on H1B visa and all that. Okay, so this may be some of the negative point which you can think about it. Plus, another negative is the tariff trouble. China and USA crisis will again start. We have to see कितना USA लगाते हैं फिर कितना चाइना लगाते हैं, वो चलता रहने वाला है. Okay, because they feel but please understand, if USA is not importing goods from China and they are taking their own goods, China products are quite cheap. If they are consuming their own products, they are quite expensive. Then again, inflation will go up, and that will create a problem for again the Fed. So that need to be seen. But yes, China tariff war and all that will start. India may be here. If you remember, Trump told that no, they are going to levy tax on the Royal Enfield Aisha motor, basically. क्यों? क्योंकि there on the Harley Davidson bike, no, we told that we are going to put a lot of tax. Okay, तो वो बोले भाई आप लगाते हो तो हम क्यों ना लगाए. So he told that no, they are going to apply. So this type of tariff trouble will be there in future, that need to be keep in mind. And all this will have an impact on the inflation and the US fiscal deficit, because at the end of the day, if tariff war starts, then the price of the goods goes up. If the price of the goods goes up, it will again bring the inflation, again the interest rate may start going up. So these are all spiral effect may happen no, if Trump comes into picture, and no, he basically go with his own way of handling the diplomacy, or you can say politics, and the way he's controlling the countries. But one thing is so sure, you cannot take USA lightly when Trump is in a picture. अब बिडेन साहब थे तो कुछ कोई भी आके कुछ भी बोल जाता था, लेकिन हियर when Trump is there, you cannot take it like the way no, and that is the way US want at that. Again, that's why Trump is coming back. I think hardly any president has come back like this. So this is how the characteristics of Trump is there. But overall, if you ask me, I think more positives are there than negatives. In a way, for us also, Trump is much more positive, and that's why you see Indian market, by the time I'm recording this video, it's already 200 Nifty points up. That means from yesterday was also up 200 points. So market has given a salute to this decision of Trump coming back to power. But however, time will tell, but at least a good start. Hopefully things will be much better from here. Let's see, and hope for the best. Again, guys, hope you like this video, and guys, if you like it, do like it, share it to everyone. Please put in the comment box, what do you think about US election, and what do you think about Trump, what he can do differently. Okay, and guys, if you want to see our stock recommendation services, the link is given below. Do check it out. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.